Want to make $10,000 a month as a student? I'm talking real, spendable cash, not some imaginary number on a screen. No fluff, no fake Lambos parked in front of rented mansions. Just the real, proven strategy from someone who actually did it. You see all these gurus flashing cash, but how many actually tell you how they did it? How many started with nothing but a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection, just like you? I did. I was 14, broke, and determined to build a better life for myself and my mom. It took years of hard work, but I cracked the code, and in this video, I'm breaking it down for you, step by step. Here's how you can do it too. Look, let's cut through the noise. Most of what you see online about making money is straight up BS. If someone's promising you'll be rich overnight, they're probably trying to sell you a course on how to get rich quick, which is ironic, right? The truth is, there's no magic button, no secret loophole. If it was easy, everyone would be driving Ferraris and living in mansions. The truth? It's doable, but only with the right mindset and the right plan. You need to approach this like building a real business, not chasing some get-rich-quick scheme. That means understanding that it takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Forget what you see on Instagram. Forget the Lambos and the private jets. Focus on building something real, something sustainable, something that will actually generate cash flow. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. The real strategies that work, the ones nobody wants to tell you about because they're not sexy, but they get the job done. Making $10,000 a month starts with choosing the right vehicle. That means finding a business model that's scalable, low risk, and realistic for a student like you. Avoid things like day trading or crypto speculation. They're incredibly risky, and often designed for you to lose money so someone else can profit. Plus, you need a lot of capital to even have a chance. Instead, look into service-based businesses. These are businesses where you're providing a valuable service to clients, like writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management. The beauty of service-based businesses is that they don't require a ton of upfront investment. You don't need to buy inventory, rent a warehouse, or hire a team. All you really need is your laptop and your skills. And the best part? Service-based businesses produce real, free cash flow. Money you can actually spend, reinvest, or save. Now you might be thinking, but Graham, what about e-commerce? Everyone's making millions selling stuff online. And yeah, e-commerce sounds sexy. But let me give you some real talk. Even if you build $1 million e-commerce brand, it doesn't mean you're instantly rich. Why? Because most of your profit gets stuck in inventory. You have to buy products up front, store them, ship them, and deal with returns. I built my own eyewear brand, and it did really well. We did over $1.5 million in sales, but guess what? A huge chunk of that went right back into buying more inventory. That's not cash in hand. Plus, e-commerce is becoming increasingly competitive. You're constantly battling for customers' attention, and advertising costs are skyrocketing. Don't get me wrong, e-commerce can be a great business model, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of capital, a lot of work, and a lot of patience. If you want to create real income as a student, focus on high-leverage services. These are services that are in high demand, pay well, and can be scaled with the help of others. Think about it. Every business needs TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Learn how to create engaging content, and you can charge a premium for your skills. E-commerce businesses live and die by their ads. Master Google Ads, and you'll have businesses lining up to hire you. Every online business needs a way to turn website visitors into paying customers. Learn how to build high-converting funnels, and you'll be in high demand. It sounds simple, but a great thumbnail can make or break a YouTube video. Offer this service and you can easily scale it by outsourcing the actual design work. That last point is key leverage. You can't do everything yourself. Learn to delegate and outsource tasks so you can focus on what you're good at and scale your business faster. Here's where most people fail. Expectations. You're not going to build a $10,000 per month business in 2 months. I didn't, and neither did anyone else who's telling you that. I started my entrepreneurial journey when I was 14. I worked my butt off, learning everything I could about online business. I tried different things, failed, learned from my mistakes, and kept going. It took me 3 years of consistent effort to hit my first $10,000 month. 3 years of hustling, grinding, and never giving up. Was it easy? Hell no. But it was worth it. Stop thinking in months. Start thinking in years. That's how real wealth is built. In 2015, I was broke. I was living in a small apartment with my mom, working out of my bedroom. I had a fire in my belly though. I was building something to support us, something to create a better future. I woke up early, went to the gym every day, read a book a week, and worked my butt off on my business. I posted content consistently, even when it felt like nobody was watching. It was hard. There were times when I wanted to give up. But I kept reminding myself why I started in the first place, and you know what? You're starting from a much better place than I did. You have access to more information, more resources, and more opportunities than ever before. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need connections, a fancy degree, or a trust fund to succeed. All you need is the drive, the determination, and the willingness to put in the work. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity is there. The tools are available. The only thing holding you back is you. Choose the right business, commit for years, not months, and don't fall for shortcuts. Build something real, something sustainable, something you can be proud of. If you want help picking the best online business for you, check out my channel for similar videos. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.